Project Anveshan is a visionary initiative designed to ignite curiosity and foster hands-on learning among students, making science an exciting journey of discovery. This transformative project is graciously funded by the Aditya Birla Jan Seva Trust, Jayashree Textiles, Rishra, a name synonymous with unwavering commitment to education and empowerment. Innovation and Science Promotion Foundation, ISPF, proudly implements this initiative, bringing experiential learning to life through interactive and engaging science activities. Together, we are shaping young minds for a brighter future. In the classrooms of Rishra, Hooghly, a silent revolution is taking place. A revolution fueled by curiosity, guided by innovation, and empowered by opportunity. With the goal of making science accessible to underprivileged children, Project Anveshan is bringing experiential learning to 5 government schools in Rishra. Where do these young minds stand? A baseline assessment was conducted to understand their grasp of fundamental concepts. The results were revealing. But challenges only paved the way for transformation. With hands-on activities, ISPF educators are helping students bridge the gap between theory and application, sparking curiosity like never before. The journey did not stop in the classroom. Students stepped up to showcase their learning, competing, presenting, and discovering their own voices.
I am really thankful for Birla Aditya Birla Group for conducting the Anveshan project, which is actually a hands-on experimental project for science. I'm really thankful because ours is a government school. We do not have enough opportunities and infrastructure for conducting laboratory or experimental basis for these children. It's not merely a study for them. It goes beyond the study. It has been applicable for their real life situations. And I think this is really going to make them more interested in this science. And in later life, perhaps, I'm sure, some can come up as scientists even, or doctors, engineers. They will excel really in this field of science. Thank you, Aditya Birla, for helping the students out in this aspect. Thank you.
Today I am presenting a speech on Sir Chandrasekhar Venkataraman. C.V. Raman is one of the most renowned scientists in India for his pioneering work and scattering of light. He was born on November 7 in 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. His father was Chandrasekhar Iyer and mother was Parvati Amma. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics, so he had an academic atmosphere at home. He entered Presidency College in Madras in 1902 and in 1904 he passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907 he passed his MA, obtaining the highest distinctions. Raman joined Indian Finance Department in 1907. After his office hour, Raman carried out his experimental research in the laboratory of Indian Association to Cultivation at Calcutta. On 28 February in 1928, Raman discovered the Raman effect. For his discovery, he got a Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. So every year in 28th February, National Science Day is celebrated to tribute a novelist, Dr. C.V. Raman. He awarded Bharat Ratna in 1954, the highest civilian award in India. He died on 21st November 1970. His innovative spirit and experiment is continue to inspiring our future generations. Thank you.
আমি অনুষ্কার দিদা মমতা মুখার্জি। আমার অনেক ভালোই শিখছে আপনাদের কাছে। ও গিয়ে বাড়ি গিয়ে বলে যে আপনাদের কথা, যে আমরা এটা শিখেছি ওটা শিখেছি, আমরা করতে চাই, আরও যেন শিখতে পারে, সেটা আপনারা আইলে পরে ওরা শিখবে, এটা আরও শিখুক, সেটা আমরা আরও ভালোভাবে চাই, যাতে আরও এগিয়ে যেতে পারে।
Every question asked, every model built, every eureka moment brings them one step closer to a future where learning has no limits. As we bring this journey to a close, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible efforts behind it. A big thank you to Aditya, Birla and Seva Trust for their continuous support, the school authorities for their trust and cooperation, and the ISPF educators for their passion and dedication. And, of course, a special thanks to the students for your energy, curiosity, and excitement make this mission truly meaningful. Keep questioning, keep experimenting, and keep the spark of science alive.